Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to hard reset your Nokia C32. Whether your phone is frozen or fully functional, I'll guide you step by step so you can start fresh safely and quickly. Let's dive in. Hard reset via recovery mode. Phone off or frozen. If your Nokia C32 isn't responding, you'll need to use recovery mode. First, make sure the phone is completely turned off. Next, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together. Once the Nokia logo appears, release the power button but keep holding volume up. This will bring up the recovery mode menu on a black screen. Use the volume keys to navigate to wipe data/factory reset and press power to confirm. You'll be asked to confirm. Select yes. After the reset is complete, scroll to reboot system now and press power again. Your phone will restart like new. Hard reset via settings menu. Phone functional. If your phone is working fine, you can reset it directly from the settings menu. Open settings, go to system, then reset options and select erase all data, factory reset. Follow the on-screen prompts and your Nokia C32 will be restored to its factory settings in minutes. Important tips before reset. Remember, a hard reset erases all your personal files, apps, and accounts, so back up anything important first. Also, after resetting, you'll need to log into your Google account due to FRP lock. And make sure your battery is at least 50% charged to avoid interruptions. And that's it. Hard resetting your Nokia C32 couldn't be easier. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.